Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. iOS 16 Plus, adequate battery and storage. Turn on screen time in settings and create a screen time passcode so settings stick. If you're monitoring a child, set up family sharing now for a managed device, enroll in MDM. Once done, choose the monitoring scope, app limits, downtime, or activity reports. Make sure to enable share across devices if you want cross-device monitoring. This starts the process immediately and prepares the phone for next steps. You now configure detailed controls. Open screen time and add app limits. Pick categories or specific apps, choose daily limits, or set custom schedules for weekdays versus weekends. Next, use Always Allowed to whitelist essential apps and turn on content and privacy restrictions to block explicit content or purchases. Don't forget communication limits to manage contacts. Once these are set, enable activity reports so you receive weekly summaries. This gives you the how and why behind usage patterns. You finish by reviewing and testing everything. Ask the user to open a limited app to confirm app limits trigger, adjust durations or schedules if they don't feel right. If supervising someone else, double-check family sharing and request approvals where needed. For problems, restart the iPhone first, then verify iCloud sync and that the screen time passcode is correct. If screen time won't apply, sign out and back into iCloud and re-enable screen time. This single troubleshooting step solves most sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.